1, 2, 3.
What's up, YouTube?
That's number 5 though. So today we're gonna be showing you fidget spinners.
Giveaway for like
$5.
$10.
$5. And like these fidget
Make
spinners,
my hair alright, let me see.
but these fidget spinners really cost a lot.
But like, I forgot how much they cost. They cost like 30, nah, not 30.
They cost like $35, but really we're just gonna do it for our fans. We're just gonna make them lower, like $5, $5 or $10. But yeah, if you subscribe to my channel, click that bell and like, and I will be giving you a fidget spinner. Sorry.
Alright, so this is gonna happen. In the chats, y'all, if y'all don't, what I'm gonna say?
I don't even know.
If y'all don't subscribe to this video, I'ma spaz out. I'm going to spaz out.
Come on, let's spin. Spin. But yeah, this one is the most important.
Nah, this one. And this one, y'all. This one.